Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You begin by eliminating the usual suspects. Power between 50 and 80%, remove case, and gently clean the sensor with 70% isopropyl. Once done, disable alternative unlocks and boot into safe mode to rule out third-party interference. This narrows the problem to system or hardware. Now try re-registering a print once the sensor is dry. If it accepts, you fixed a software glitch. If it still fails, make sure to note any error messages before moving on to deeper diagnostics. Next, you tackle system-level issues because cached data or outdated firmware often breaks sensors. Clear the cache for the fingerprint and security apps, then check MIUI updates and install all security patches. Updates often include sensor drivers. After rebooting, go to the fingerprint enrollment area and perform a recalibration or re-enroll prints. This forces the system to rebuild templates. If the sensor still refuses or shows erratic reads, record behavior like intermittent success or specific error text. Finally, you confirm whether the problem is hardware. Test the sensor in recovery or fast boot environment. If it fails there, it's likely a physical fault. Power down, open the phone carefully, and inspect the fingerprint sensor flex cable for looseness or corrosion. Reseat the connector and retest. If reseating does not help, replace the sensor module or seek authorized service. If you go to a repair shop, make sure you back up your data and remove accounts. If things go wrong, a factory reset often clears persistent software corruption.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.